Y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking. This afternoon, we're going to do some pork steaks. I don't know if I've ever done those, or if I have, it's been a while, so we'll show you what we got here. First, we're going to make a marinade for the pork steaks. It's very important that you get a good marinade. What we're going to start off first is one of my favorites. It's sweet and spicy Alaskan umami sauce. It's kind of a hot sauce, but it's really, really good. It's sweet. I'm going to add about a half a cup of it, okay? That's really got some nice flavor to it. And then I'm going to use a barbecue sauce. I like my sticky finger sauces. This is the Carolina Sweet. All right, we're going to add about half a cup of it if I got that. Yeah, there we go. So we got about a cup of all that. Go ahead and get that out of there. And then I'm going to use, as a liquid, I'm going to use this Moore's marinade, okay? Good stuff. Shake it up really good. And we'll add about a cup or so of it. All right, this Moore's is just, all right, maybe about a 3/4 cup there. Not so much. And we will just kind of stir this around, get it well mixed. And this is what we will marinate our pork chops in, or our pork chops on. Now, we're gonna pour the marinade over here. And by the way I get my pork steaks is when the Boston Butts go on sale and they'll slice them for you for free. I have them do that because you can get a lot cheaper than you can if you just buy pre-sliced pork steaks for some reason. So we'll add the marinade here. I'm gonna put this in my vacuum sealer and put on the marinade function is how we're gonna marinate these. And that'll get them real good. YS640, I got it rolling about 255. We're gonna put these pork steaks on and get them on the smoker. Go ahead and put them on here. I had them marinating about an hour or so in the vacuum sealer marinator thing. Just gotta kind of spread them out here. So across the grill. That's a good one right there. I like the ones that got the bone in there, you know. But what we're doing right now is we're gonna get some smoke on them. That's the first order of business. Then we'll worry about how we're gonna finish them off. Got some maple hickory cherry pellets in here. Good blend for doing something like this. So this is a piece will go up back here by the stack. That's a thicker piece. I gotta move some of this stuff around a little bit, didn't leave quite enough room. Okay. That looks good for right now. We'll just roll with that, y'all. Go ahead and flip these pork steaks. They've been cooking about, I guess, an hour or so. They're looking real good, but I just think they need to be flipped. Move y'all in a little bit closer so you can see a little bit better. Okay. Putting out some juice. It's always good. Oh yeah, they're getting some smoke. You can tell that kind of mahogany or that reddish hue to them. If you want to see. Yeah. Big one there. All right. So here. There we go. Ain't too far from being done, y'all. Man, those things are looking good. This time now we flipped them, it's time to think about a glaze that goes on them. Let me show you what I like to do. I take some of this chili, sweet chili sauce. I use the Frank's Red Hot brand. I think Mayploy makes a brand of it too. And add some of that. Let's see. About a third a cup or something like that, okay? And put that right there. And man, this is a really good combination. Good for wings too. And of course I take my Alaskan umami sauce. I add some of that as well. All right. About the rest of that. This bottle's about had it. You can go back to Alaska to get some. You can order it online. Good stuff. And then we're just gonna mix that up, y'all. And that's gonna be an A1 glaze right there. That's what we're gonna glaze this stuff with. It's gonna be the bomb. Give them, check them, see if they need to be flipped again. Then we'll get to the glazing. Not quite ready to be flipped. So we're gonna glaze this side. Just Just kind of stir that stuff up there. Yeah, let's see, set that there. And we will get to doing some glazing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to bring my light out here in a minute, y'all. But anyway, we'll just glaze them all up, make them look real nice. Done now, I'm gonna go ahead and take these bad boys off. Look absolutely amazing with that glaze and everything on there. And we're gonna give them a try. So let's give it a try. Wonderful looking pork steak here. I'm ready to give it a taste. There you go, this knife almost cut through the plate. One of these cold steel steak knives. All right. See what we got here. I think it's plugged right there. And give it a try. I can definitely tell the sweet heat from my Alaskan umami sauce works very, very well with this pork steak. Nice little bit of smoke on it too. Y'all give this a try. Thank y'all so much. Please like my video, sub my channel, check the description box where you can get some of this stuff, sauces and everything. And God bless y'all. Take it easy.